to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add widget in MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. So whether you are using MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, this video will work in every MacBook. So if you want to add widget in your MacBook, so what you have to do, you can just open your widget here, notification sender and widget. Okay, you can also just click on this and you will see this is open. Now here you will see at the bottom edit widget option. Okay, now just click on it and here you will see all the widgets. Okay, you can drag any widget, you can see all these things. Okay, so if you want to add on the screen, just drag it here. Okay, so like this you can add any. If I want to add watch here, okay, so I just drag it. Okay, so like this you can add widget in your MacBook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.